Aries, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the mid-month June. Yeah, and thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah, let's start your reading. This is for the June mid-month for the Aries people. What is coming for the Aries people? What is coming for the Aries? So let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Aries people. Justice is coming for you, Aries. Wow. Ace of Cups. Ace of Wands. Wow. Three of Pentacles. Okay. Some of you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Wow, we have Four of Wands right in the heart of your spread, Aries. This is beautiful. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo is also here. Libra is here. Six of Cups. Knight of Cups. Eight of Wands. Five of Pentacles. Wow, bottom of the deck we have 10 of Cups, which is happiness, abundance, prosperity, happy home, very contentment, emotional contentment. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, so Aries, I'm feeling that things are going to be balanced for you because of the new strategy you are having right now in your mind. Yes, Aries, yes, because right now you are having a very strong belief in the universe. That's why you are taking some kind of leap of faith towards something very important, towards some kind of connection. I'm feeling that this is your person who is taking a leap of faith towards you because they're missing you and they cannot forget you. They can't, if they try to be, they cannot. Yeah, because you have a very strong impression towards them, and yeah, they cannot forget that time with you. That's why they are taking a leap of faith, because they want to work things out with you, and they are now having some kind of new opportunities from the universe with the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Wands. These are the new opportunities, the new chances from the universe, and they want to work things out with you. They want to use these opportunities to have this strong and stable foundation in this connection with you. Wow. Beautiful. With this Knight of Cups, Eight of Wands, and the Five of Pentacles energy, definitely they are coming for you and they want communication at the same time. And with this Eight of Wands, this is also travel. If they are not living with you in the same country or state, they are coming for you and they are traveling because they are feeling very alone without you. That's why they are coming forward. They are coming forward because they are feeling alone. You are the only person who can understand, who can give them the eternal happiness and the emotional contentment. Wow. So what is this justice for the Aries people? What is this justice? What is, wow, so cards are flying already. Three cards: Eight of Swords, Temptation, Ace of Swords. Yeah, this is, I'm telling you, Aries, yeah, they are feeling stuck without you and they are feeling very strong energetic pull from you. With this Temptation card, they are feeling bound to you. Yeah, they are feeling really attracted to you, and that's why they are planning travel. This is the travel card, and with this, you know, documents, passport, visa, whatever, tickets. So they are coming for you, and yeah, they're excited. They're excited. Okay, to meet you. What is this Ace of Wands for the Aries? Wow. Here you are, Aries, the Emperor, Page of Swords. Okay, so some of you are also, wow, what is, see what is under the deck. Bottom of the deck we have Empress. So both of you are even to each other. Both of you are a good match, a good couple, a very strong divine masculine and divine feminine energies. Both of you are you know, observing from each other, So they are feeling that you are their best match, and you are feeling that they are your best match. And we have also twin flame cards, so definitely this is a strong connection between you and them. And with the Six of Cups, maybe past life soulmates, but the connection is very strong. So I was telling you that Aries, they are coming forward to you, and for some of you, they are watching you, because they want to know that if you are with someone else, because they have now a new idea to make this union happen with you, and they are very happy. But at the same time, they want to know that if you are with another person, because they are having each and every quality which you are searching in your divine partner. So that's why they are looking for the qualities, that if you have mentioned something in your social media or something like that, so they want to be at that ideal person of yours, at that level. Three of Pentacles. Wow. Okay. Magician, Eight of Cups, Six of Pentacles. Okay, so in the past, somewhere, in some way, shape or form, you have walked away from them, because you want to trying to manifest something else, like something important, because Magician is the single person. You are single, but you want to trying to manifest something stable with this Three of Pentacles energy, and also with the Six of Pentacles. So you have something very creative in your mind, that's why you have walked towards that thing, and walked away from that person. That's why they want to move forward, because they think that if they had even wasted a single second, they will lose you. Wow, it's strong, it's very strong. What is this Four of Wands? Five of Swords, Knight of Wands, Nine of Cups. Yeah, they think that they just don't want to listen to the other people. With the Five of Swords energy, they want to take a leap of faith towards you, because I'm feeling that other people are telling them that you are not their best match or something like this, but they are not listening to them, and that's why they are moving forward. They are moving away from this Five of Swords energy. They are not listening to the other people's ideas or opinions, no suggestions, nothing. They are just focused on their wish fulfillment, which is you, Aries. Only you. They are really focused on you. Okay, it's great. What is this Knight of Cups here for the Aries? Six of Wands, Four of Swords. Wow, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, so you are moving forward towards your success. You wanna be in a stable position. At the same time, you're taking rest. With the Four of Swords, you are not in rush, Aries, but they are really in a rush. This is like coming after a journey, after a travel, something from like coming after traveling. And they are also, this is the destined travel from them to you, because universe wants them to travel towards you. That's why they are coming for you with the offer. Wow, so universe wants them to come forward to you. Wow, this is a leg up. Okay, what is this Eight of Wands? So you will be on the upper side, and they are like, will you marry me? Yeah. Three of Cups, Five of Wands, Judgment, Eight of Wands. Okay, I was clarifying the Eight of Wands. Okay, so Aries, you know what? Wow. They want to meet you. They don't want to waste their time in drama, in arguments, in confusion, in conflicts, in fights, gaslighting, nothing. They don't want to waste their time. They just want to spend their good time with you, and they think that it's urgent to come forward to you. It's urgent to come forward to you. Yeah, that's why they are coming for you. It's beautiful. What is this Five of Pentacles for the Aries, please? Three of Swords. Yeah, they're feeling sad. Nine of Wands. Oh my god. Two of Cups. They're feeling sad and they think that you have made up your boundaries towards them, and they think that you have your guard up and you are not talking to them with this Nine of Wands energy. That's why they are feeling sad and they are feeling alone. But they are like feeling this connection. They're feeling this connection with the Two of Cups energy, and they don't want to waste their time. They want to come forward to you so that they can offer you this commitment. This is a really legal marriage contract I'm feeling, and this is also destiny. They want to give you your true happiness, and you are the wish fulfillment for them. Yeah. Okay, so this is I have for you, Aries. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.